Welcome back to the Skadoosh channel. This is day 3 to VEDA, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a jiggly slime. So, it's a slime that jiggles. You just saw that detail sped up, but we're going to go ahead and show you guys that full tutorial in detail. So, you're going to need glue, water, borax, and some food coloring. And start with a nice little container like this, and we're going to go ahead and go into further detail right about now. First off, you're going to have to get some glue. You can use white glue or clear glue. I personally don't care what glue you use, but I use white glue for the purposes of this one. Next up is the water. So I'm going to go ahead and put that water in. Now, I do apologize if the mic quality is like very terrible. I'm using the built-in mic on my computer device. And next, you're going to put in the food coloring. I chose a very dark emerald green food coloring. So it's going to be very dark, or close to being dark. It's kind of more like a climbing ivy. It's almost the same color that I use in my editing studio. Next up, you're going to go ahead and mix up these ingredients together. You will be activating the slime with the borax and water activator at a later time. As you can see, I'm just mixing away as I go. As you can see, it went completely dark, but it's going to brighten up a little bit as the ingredients kind of sort of incorporate. And in just a couple moments, once they are all mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and activate the slime with the borax and water activator. And for borax and water activator, it's a teaspoon of borax to 8 fluid ounces of hot water. And then just add the activator in slowly, and you can see the slime is starting to form. It's almost ready for play. Just keep stirring until the activator is incorporated with the rest of the ingredients. And here's the end result. If it clicks and it jiggles, then it's ready for play. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.